Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Okay, there we go. What am I sharing here? This is for my grocery channel. I got some stuff in here. This is my coffee bar inside of here that needs cleaning so terribly bad. That's my mission for the week. Get inside of this coffee bar cabinet and clean and see what I need to I don't know, do something with it. But it is messy up in here, dusty and dirty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Stuff is falling. But this, look at I forgot about, I had that ladybug teapot. I think, what came with that? Cups? I forgot. If it is, they'll be up in this cabinet. Stuff from years ago. Stuff I got from the Dollar Tree when it was $1. Look, I got a cow down there that's dusty and dirty. That's what's happening now, y'all. I'm just sharing a coffee bar that I used to do vignettes on. Once I get the stuff up off of it, I can do it again. Hold up. Let's get out of this dirty cabinet space here. Guys, it's me, Miss Janita, back again. I'm still in the cabinet, in my coffee bar cabinet. This is the left side cabinet, inside the cabinet on the left side. And I got things in here I forgot. I got it's not a Vitamix, it's another blender. That's the blender container back there in the back with stuff all stuffed in it. I got a jar of nuts that I use for prop when I do my vignettes. I got them old things from the Dollar Store that they look like little latterns. You know them little laddering things, they got little lights in them. I guess they still work. Pie, them red things is pie crust protectors, keep the pie crust from burning. I got a jar of beans. I got that coffee cups, look like a snowman. That is so freaking cute to me. Then down here it's still dusty and dirty and nasty. I got to clean it. And then here I got some of them snowman cups I got from the Dollar Tree when everything was $1. Yeah, I got them sitting down here. I got all kind of Dollar Tree stuff up in here. I don't know what's in the back, but let me do something. Hold on. Okay, I cleared out one shelf. Look at all the dirt. I'm about to clean that. Hold on. Okay, I dusted it as best I could first. Now I'm finna get one of these, what do you call it? Sanitary wipes and do the rest. I'll be back. Okay, I have cleaned the bottom of this shelf with one of those disinfectant wipes. So now, oh, it look like I do a little bit more, huh? Look at the wall. I got to wipe the wall, and then after that, I will put this stuff back in here. This top part, I still got to clean it up. I don't even think I'm keeping them down. Wasn't called it. They still good. I guess they can go for sale or something. But yeah, that's what's happening. But wait. Here's the other side, the right side cabinet on this coffee bar. Look, I got snow cones. napkins, sugar that I don't know is sugar anymore. I forgot I put that in there. I got a bread box, that plastic container thing with the snow cone sitting on top. That's a bread box. That blue thing, that's the lid, go to the sugar thing. Got some coffee cups. Some of this stuff, a lot of this stuff down here, I've thrifted. A lot has been thrifted. Look, I got red, white, and blue ice cream cups. I had all this stuff from the dollar store. So yeah, what is this right here? Oh, that's go to some coffee cups, them black lids right there with that orange coffee cup on top. But this ain't nothing but some junk up in here. I got up in this thing. I could be storing some better stuff up in here. But I'm going to go through this stuff and I'm going to clean it up. And this is just the left and right sides I share with y'all. The other day I showed you the center of the cabinet. It also got 2 drawers up here that need cleaning. That's the drawer knob. But anyway, that's what's happening. That's what's going on today. I don't know why I had this thing so close. I just pulled it back, y'all. Sorry about that. All this time I had the thing. I'm going across the center of the cabinet to this side. This is so cute. I got that snowman coffee cup set from Kohl's. There you go. I wish I knew where Mr. Pumpkin was. That is not Mr. Pumpkin. That came from the Dollar Tree. This is all the stuff here is when its Dollar Tree was $1. Okay, that's about it for now. Okay, guys. So I said it's cooling off. I'm sitting down as I'm doing this, and I got the fan right up on me. It needs cleaning. I don't even want to show it, but here it is, dirty old fan. You see it over on that black wiry looking thing. But yeah, I'm in here doing rotate. What else? Organizing, basically organizing. And I got stacks and stacks to do. Looking for more space in the kitchen, I use a drawer. I said I would love to have my cookbooks a little closer. Knowing the kitchen is so small, what did I do? I put them in a drawer. How cute is that? In the drawer. Yes, my faux plant down there on the floor. Oh my God, I love this area. In here doing some spring cleaning, but I just had to share this little area. Making space in a drawer for my cookbooks. I love it. I love the clutter. I am clutter devoted. I love the decor company. Yes, I do. All of it. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake.